Did you know that raisin water can be great for you? It's a good thing to add to your diet, especially to better your liver health. Why is raisin water so good for your health? It helps certain biochemical processes in the liver, which help it force the poisons out of your bloodstream. If you follow this treatment for 4 days straight, you'll see that your digestion will rise and you'll have more energy. Do you know what the benefits of raisin water are? It is advised to eat raisins in the morning to take better care of your heart, get rid of bad cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and stop constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins have a lot of vitamins and minerals, and they help you even more when you drink the water they are soaked in. This is because they have less sugar this way, but you still gain the excellent medicinal cure for your liver. A natural source of antioxidants. Raisins are one of the best sources for antioxidants. This is because they're dried grapes, which are fruits that are full of bioflavonoids that help keep the body safe from free radicals and sickness. Raisins and raisin water have been used for many years to stop different heart and liver diseases. Helps detox the body. The liver and the kidneys are important organs. They help clean your blood by taking out the poisons and heavy metals that can pile up and make you sick. But sometimes the liver and kidneys can be slowed by bad diet choices, eating too many fatty foods, and bad daily habits. If you drink raisin water for 4 days straight at least once a month, it can help your liver work better, especially when it comes to detox. You'll be able to tell that it's helping at the times when you feel heavy or feel that your digestion is slow or painful. Aids in digestion. Drinking raisin water can help to clean the bloodstream and keep the liver working properly. It also helps to better digestion. How? By making the stomach acid separate, which helps you break down your food and take in the nutrients. You'll start to see the difference around 2 days after you start drinking the raisin water. How do you make raisin water? Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 400 milliliters, 150 grams of raisins. Preparation. Make sure to choose your raisins carefully. Look for raisins that are a darker color and not too hard or soft. Check that the raisins are whole and clean. Wash the raisins and then put them aside. Heat the water to a boil. Add the raisins and then let them bubble for 20 minutes. Then leave them to soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water from the raisins and then heat the water up. You can drink it warm or hot, but make sure to drink it on an empty stomach right after you wake up. Then wait 30 to 35 minutes before eating breakfast. Remember to follow this for 4 days. If you also have a diet that's low in fat and has plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, you'll have better liver health. Raisin water would be a great thing to add to that diet.